I'd started my apprenticeship. I was working, I'd go home and I'd fall asleep on the couch, and my mom was like, what's going on or whatever. And she noticed it in me because I'm very close to my mother, and we talk all the time. We talk every day now even. And she just said that I didn't look happy. My eyes were, she said I had really sad eyes. There was something wrong. And she was asking me what was wrong. And I was kind of fobbing her off. And then I came home one day and she said to me, I booked you an appointment. And I was like, okay, to see you for what? I feel grand. And she brought me down to the GP, the local GP in Bray. And we went to see a doctor who specialized in mental health. This was a while ago when there was a stigma attached to it and nobody really talked about it. So this doctor was very nice, very kind. And she kind of coaxed it out of me how I was feeling. And she put me on antidepressants, and she kind of everything that she said was I was relating to it. I was like, okay, Jesus, I've had this since I was a child, this thing that you don't really realize you have it until someone says it to you. And that's why, as you said, it's really important to talk about it,